starting your day on My Day in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how your most urgent accounts are pre-sorted to the top, why each one is there, and how to act and check it off, all in one feed. Let's take a look. You'll find this under CRM My Day from your dashboard. This is My Day, and it's where I want you starting every morning. I've already sorted your list so you're not digging through accounts to figure out who to call. Your most urgent items sit at the top, things like an overdue follow-up or an account with a low stock alert. Each card tells you the account, why it landed on your list today, and what to do about it. Tap a card and I'll show you the full details. Contact info, notes from your last visit, and a button to log your next activity right there. Finish something, tap the check mark, and it drops off the list. When the list's empty, you've worked through everything that mattered today. Come back tomorrow, and I'll have refreshed it based on what's changed.